How was your coffee?
My coffee was good. This little, quote, snack, unquote, was a little bit more.
The little snack, yeah. If we continue eating little snacks, we're going to be fat.
Today I thought it would be interesting to see what this journey looks like through my professional guide Juan Carlos's eyes. So we mounted a GoPro to his helmet and asked him to turn it on now and then. Juan Carlos rides fast, but he usually waits for me, except when he sees twisties. Then he takes off like my dog Luigi when I yell, "Squirrel." These clips are from our ascent to the highest point of the trip. Freezing rain, snow, broken roads, and the quiet hospitality of people who could see we needed to warm up. It was a good day. Juan Carlos, take it away.
You see? That's why I love Google Maps. Dale. Kurt, where's Kurt? He's over there, he's good. Look at that. Man, horrible. Do you have the extra gloves there with you or not? I can't feel my fingers. ¿Y qué estás haciendo?
Trabajando.
Trabajando, Tom.
Muchas gracias.
¿Qué dice tu familia? Fucking crazy, isn't it?
Warm up a little bit.
Okay. Hola. ¿Siendo que aquí tienen mate? Ah, okay. They got tea. You know, lots of traffic there.
Well, I think the Monica Dog Restaurant was a hit today. All of our dog food is gone.